Hey, get up! Get up! Hey! Get up! You don't die until I tell you to die! You see the extraction timer when it hits 0? Enter this clip into our heart, you understand? Hattie! This doesn't end your way, boys!
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that.
Ah, the numbers don't add up for you! The evolution of man is coming whether you like it or not.
You know, I almost feel bad for you. This is not just metal they filled your head with.
It's bullshit. I was beginning to like you two, you know that? Oh well. What's the problem, boys? Does it hurt? Must be hard being so... human.
Work together, we can hurt him.
You're right. Time to work as a team.
There's 2 of us and 1 of him.
I'll take a punch and let you land one.
I'll do the same. Got your back, brother.
And I got yours. Let's go and plug this sumbitch.
I got it.
You did that.
Never had a doubt. Let's get it into safe hands.
You set me up as a traitor. Turned my own sister against me. Forced me to kill my own brother. You
And here we are again. Come on! Sure, compared to the courts, one life doesn't mean anything.
I don't know what happened to you, Brixton. You made me kill you once. I ain't doing it again.
Brother, you may believe in machines, but we believe in people. You may have all the technology in the world. We have heart. No machine will ever beat that.
You boys, you're gonna get one Samoan-ass whooping.
Shut Brixton down.
That's how it is. It's a hell of a business, boys.
Brixton never really lived up to our expectations. But you three, you outperformed your analytics. You don't remember me, do you, Hobbs? You will. It's gonna be a hell of a reunion. You're on our radar now.
And you're on ours. Hey, thanks for being my sidekick through this whole thing, brother. You were great.
How about our sidekick that stupid look off your face?
Yeah? How about you show me right now?
Okay, guys. Let's go.